Hi, very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Shubhra Ranjan IS platform, and we are meeting here for Geography and Environment. Today, I have one prelim test series question paper, and this is question paper 19, test 19, and it is what environment and ecology, which we are going to discuss. Uh, let's have the first question, and that is what with reference to dugong. Dugong is a sea cow, and it is what species which is every time in news, so it's very important. So this reference to dugong, a mammal found in India. Which of the following statement are correct? It is herbivorous mammal, that is strictly marine. That is statement 1. That is what correct statement. These mammals are found only in warm coastal water of Indian Ocean. Okay, it is marine animal. It is found in warm coastal water, not only in Indian Ocean, but extended up to what you can say Pacific Ocean. So statement 2 is incorrect. It is listed as vulnerable in the IUCN red list. That is also going to be correct. So 1 and 3 are correct. So right answer is going to be beta. That is 1 and 3. So right answer is beta. Question number 2. What do you understand by the term vernalization? So vernalization, it's a B option. It is the induction of plant flowering. So flowering, when induction of plant flowering is taking place, we call it, this is what vernalization. And it is mainly in long day plant. It is due to long exposure of what you can say light. So B is having right answer 2. Question number 3. Question number 3 is protected area and why it is famous for. So Manas National Park, although it is more famous for, you can say, rhinoceros, but pygmy hog is also going to be there. So yes, Manas National Park, pygmy hog, it is famous for pygmy hog also. Next one is Dachigam National Park, that is for Kashmiri stag, and Silent Valley National Park. Silent Valley National Park. Silent Valley National Park, it is in Nilgiri. You will find this lion-tailed macaque over there. Lion-tailed macaque, another what you can say important species which is in news, so we must take care of it. And the population of lion-tailed macaque is very less because of their very low reproductive rate. So all the three pair are correctly matched. So we will go with Charlie. So answer C is going to be correct. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following are the basic objective of National Park, Wildlife Sanctuary and Biosphere Reserve? So controlled and limited use of species. Okay. Maintenance of the viable number of species in protected area, educating the public and about wildlife protection. थोड़े statement में भाषागत गलतियां हैं. But all the statement is going to have the objective of protected area. So we are going to have 1, 2, 3, and that is what delta. Question number 5. Kanha Tiger Reserve, Baiga, Simlipal National Park, Mankadia, Gir National Park, Gond. These are the tribe you will find in all these national park. So if you see, let's see the options. And there is Nagarhole National Park, Jenu, Kurbas National Park, and the right option is 3 pairs are going to be correct. So Nagarhole is correctly matched, Jenu Kurbas. Then Gir National Park, Gond is correctly matched, and Simlipal National Park, Mankadia tribe is matched over here, Simlipal National Park. Fine. So Kanha National Park. Okay, this Gir National Park, the Gond is wrong. Here, the tribe is Maldharis. So, Gir National Park, Gond is not going to be matched. Here, Maldhari tribe is there. So, you will find 1, 2, and 3 pair are correct. So, in this case, we have the option Charlie. Next question, which of the following is our characteristics of millet? They are gluten free, yes. They are non-acid forming food, yes. They are drought tolerant. All of them are going to be correct. They are dry land farming crops. They are fit for what you can say less rainfall. They are non-acid forming food. They are gluten free. They are having what you can say complex carbohydrate, which is not going to shoot the blood sugar. And not only this, they are also going to be what uh, having lot of rich in fiber and nutrient, and that's why it has been given the name of Shri and Nutri cereals is an initiative of government of India to boost the what you can say secondary income of the farmer as well as to boost the use of these millets, and that's why it is in news, and hence you should cover it. And in this case question number 6 is going to have all the option correct 1 2 3 and it has been given in Charlie. Do see this all the above मुझे लगा D में है but it is what 1 2 3 in C. Which of the following elephant reserve in India has been included under the monitoring illegal killing of elephant Mike site? Okay, Mike site. So answer is C 1 and 3, that is Devmali Elephant Reserve in Odisha and Shivalik Elephant Reserve. These are kept in what you can say Mike site. So answer is going to be Charlie. Question number 7, it is Charlie. Okay, let's come to the question number 8. Which of the following is the reason factor for exposure to benzene pollution? So benzene, it is a volatile organic chemical. Yes, it is in automobile exhaust. Benzene is there. So you will find benzene over there. Apart from it, tobacco smoke, it is also containing benzene. Wood burning, when you are going for wood burning, organic chemical, volatile organic chemical in form of benzene toluene is also coming out of it. Using varnished wooden furniture. Varnished wooden furniture is source of formaldehyde more. Using product made up of polyurethane, that is also not the source of benzene. So 4 5 is not the source, but 1 2 3 is the source. 1 2 3 and hence the option alpha is going to be correct. Okay, question number 9. Which of the following is correct? Which are correct with reference to the adaptation by mammal in colder climatic region? So in cold climate, what kind of adaptation you can have in animal? Aquatic animal in the polar sea have a thick layer of fat below their skin to reduce the loss of body heat. Yes, for two reasons: to ensure loss of body heat, to ensure there should be no loss of body heat. Further, it is also going to be a reserve food material. Mammal of colder climate generally have a smaller surface area to volume ratio. So what are the right answer? It is what both 1 and 2 is going to be right. Adaptation for colder area. Question number 10. It is situated in Duars region of the Himalayan foothill. Duars region जहां शिवालिक माउंटेन के रूप में नहीं है बच्चे. It is medium size protected area with grassland and forest. It is primarily known for its population of Indian rhinoceros. The major river flowing through it is Jaldhaka river. Obviously, we are talking about this Garumara National Park. So answer question number 10 is what? Garumara National Park, that is over there. Jaldhaka river is flowing through it. It is a significant watershed area between the Ganges and Brahmaputra river system. आप देखोगे Tista is flowing east to it and you will find the Mahananda which is flowing west to it. So it is a water divide also. So Garumara National Park. This Garumara National Park, Jalatpara National Park, Manas and Kaziranga all are going to be the heaven for the rhinoceros. Okay, so rhinoceros not only Assam but they come to Bihar as well as Uttar Pradesh near Lakhimpur Kheri. So पूरा का पूरा जो भाभर and तराई रीजन है वो इनका बेल्ट है. इनको चाहिए घास और घास मिलती है यहाँ जबरदस्त, इसलिए ये यहाँ चले आते हैं. So question number 11. Consider the following statement. While alpha diversity refer to the species diversity between two communities. नहीं बेटे, alpha diversities is what species richness or evenness you are considering in same ecosystem, na? In single community. Beta diversity is the diversity within a within a community. Beta diversity, you are comparing two ecosystems. So first statement is wrong. The gamma diversity of region is studied at the scale of biome. Yes, landscape biodiversity आप जब measure करते हो तो उसे आप gamma diversity कहते हो. तो 11 का जो आंसर होगा बच्चे, that is only 2 is going to be correct. So we have to find out the correct statement. Only 2 is correct. So 11, it is beta. The tiger reserve is located in the western part of Chota Nagpur Plateau and lies in the catchment area of river North Koel. Palamu पहुंच जाइए भाई. North Koel. The forest of this reserve represent the biological richness of dry and moist deciduous eastern peninsular forest with an interesting association of sal and bamboo. High waterfall and hot water spring are major tourist attraction. Which of the following tiger reserve is being referred in the above passage? And the answer is Palamu Tiger Reserve. It was the part of what? Tiger Reserve. लेकिन ये tiger project के नाम पे कलंक है. यहाँ पे tiger सारे खत्म हो चुके हैं. So that is what Palamu Tiger Reserve. So out of those 9 tiger reserve, initially when Project Tiger was launched, Palamu was one of them. Which of the following are the consequence of coral bleaching? Loss of carbon sink. When there is coral bleaching, prolonged coral bleaching will lead to death of coral. So coral is going to be a foundation species, and a foundation species of ecosystem is going to be affected. So it is but obvious there is massive loss to carbon sink. Decline in the diversity of fish. With the same explanation, you can understand if foundation species of the area is going to die, so obviously there is dwindling fish also. Coastline become more susceptible to cyclone. If this is the case, what happened? The structures which is created by them is also going to decline, and in that situation, what happened? The barrier reef or the fringing reef is going to be means eroded from there. So obviously it can cause a massive what you can say destruction from the water surge. So 1, 2, 3 all are going to be correct. D, delta is going to be right answer. With reference to the different type of wetland, consider the following pair. Bog exclusively from rainfall. Poorly drained acidic soil receiving water. Bog. Okay. So we have 14, question number 14. Question number 14. And this is what bog, exclusively poorly drained acidic soil. So bog is what? Accumulation of water is going to create anaerobic condition, and in anaerobic condition, what happened? There is anaerobic decomposition, and this anaerobic decomposition lead to partial decomposition of organic material, and partial decomposition of organic material reacting with water is going to cause acid over there. So acidic soil will be there. It is right, and poorly drained. So this is what bog. Marshes, spelling mistake hai bache, it's marshes dominated by tree. Basically marshes, poorly drained alkaline soil receiving water source. Marshes, it is dominated by tree. Marshes are dominated by grasses. So it is wrong. Fen, mostly from surface and groundwater source. Fen is right. Okay. And swamp, dominated by grasses. Ulta likha hai bache. Swamp are dominated by grasses. So 1 and 3 are correctly matched. So answer is going to be Charlie. Consider the following mass extinction. Permian Triassic extinction, Cretaceous, Ordovician, Late Devonian. Cretaceous सबसे last में हुआ है बच्चे. So answer is going to be, let's see, सबसे पहले होगा this Ordovician, then 4 is what? Late Devonian, then there is 1 Permian, and then Cretaceous. So 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1 and 2. This is going to be the alpha. So 15 alpha is a right answer. 16. With reference to the India's desert national park, which of the following statement are correct? It is spread over 2 districts. Yes, that is right. Statement 1 is correct. It is spread over 2 districts, that is Jaisalmer and Badmer. There is no human habitation inside the park. It is wrong, very wrong. Lot of population settlement over there. So statement 2 is wrong. It is one of the natural habitat of great Indian bustard. This is also going to be correct. Great Indian bustard is what? The state bird of Rajasthan. So 16, 1 and 3 are correct. So right answer is going to be Charlie. Okay. Right answer, Charlie. Let's come to the 17. Question number 17. If you want to see rhododendron, beautiful plant. Now, species, subspecies in their natural habitat, which of the following are the best place to visit? Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve, बिल्कुल आपको यहाँ मिलेगा बच्चे. Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve you will find in Himalaya and rhododendrons are there. Singalila, again you will find Biosphere Reserve and you will find it in Neora Valley National Park. Neora Valley National Park. Yes, Singalila and Neora Valley. But Sajan Khali Wildlife Sanctuary, you are not going to get rhododendron over there. But yes, 1, 2 and 4. All in these national park and protected area, we have rhododendron. This Neora Valley National Park, Nilgiri, you'll find over there. Sorry, in Sikkim, you will find over there this rhododendron. Is it okay? Rhododendron, fine. So answer is C, 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. Next question is question number 18. Consider the following animal conservation project of India. Project Crocodile, Project Tiger, Project Snow Leopard, Project Elephant. Project Tiger in 1972-73, Project Crocodile in 1975, Project Elephant in 1992, and this is what Snow Leopard is a recent one. So the earliest one is 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. 18, option B is going to be the right answer. B is the right answer. Okay, question number 19. Irrawaddy dolphin. Irrawaddy dolphin, Indus River, wrongly matched. Consider the following pair. Naturally found in Irrawaddy dolphins are present in Chilka Lake, Gahir Matha Coast, Irishikulya River. Ghadial, yes, Chambal River. Humpback Mashhir, it is in Kaveri River. It's a fish. So 2 and 3 is correctly matched. 1 is wrong. 19, answer is Charlie. Question number 20. With reference to Nokrek Biosphere Reserve, consider the following statement. Nokrek is the highest peak of Garo Hill. Question number 19 and question number 20. Okay. Question number 20. Nokrek is the highest peak of Garo Hill. That is perfectly correct. It has been recognized under the Man and Biosphere Reserve program of UNESCO. Yes, Nokrek is a biosphere reserve in Meghalaya Plateau in Garo Hill district, Garo district. And then Brahmaputra River flows through it. Nahi, by Brahmaputra is flowing north to Meghalaya Plateau. So 3 is wrong. Citrus indica or wild orange is found at this place. Citrus indica is a famous, what you can say, fruit variety. Wild, what you can say, orange variety, which is famous. So 1, 2 and 4 are correct. 3 is wrong. 1, 2 and 4 has been given in delta. Question number 21. Two water bodies A and B have the same size and shape. However, Lake A is located in hot region of Rajasthan, while B is located in higher altitude of cold Himalayan region. With reference to the dissolved oxygen, which of the following statement is correct? Fine. Okay, so dissolved oxygen is basically decided by the temperature, rate of evaporation, the kind of flora as well as fauna all. And in this case, we can have the understanding of temperature little bit, and we have also the understanding of the temperature as well as the rate of evaporation, etc., because temperature dependent. If high temperature is there, obviously there will be more evaporation and there is less dissolved oxygen. But the thing is, dissolved oxygen is also supplied by the photosynthetic organism inside the water body, which is not clearly mentioned over there. So it is very difficult to zero in that which A or B is going to have higher dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen is what lifeline of the aquatic ecosystem. Fine. So if this dissolved oxygen simply come inside the water either through simple diffusion or the uh, autotroph which is present inside the water is going to do photosynthesis, and then there is dissolved oxygen. Fine. But the thing is, in this case, the question is not mentioning everything. So it is very difficult to quantify the dissolved oxygen in both the case. So rather, going with other option, nothing conclusive can be stated is going to be the best, what you can say, option. But yes, this question is something that give you idea about the factor which is going to affect the dissolved oxygen. So 21, I will go with D. Nothing conclusive can be stated. Nothing conclusive can be determined basically. So 21. Question number 22. Consider the following species: mosses, they are bryophytes; ferns, allies, they are pteridophyte; lichens. To which of the following taxa do the above species are going to be there? It is plants. Plants. Morarans are the prokaryote. Protista are the unicellular eukaryotes. Plants are including these mosses, algae, and fern, as well as bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, and angiosperm, and including lichen, and fungi is what different group. So 5 kingdom classification of Whitaker is going to be here, and this is what very basic general science question as well as equally important for environment and ecology. Consider the following passage. It is large but the shrinking freshwater lake and associated swampland supplied by several streams. Thick floating mat of weed covered with soil, पुमड़ीज, अब कुछ कहने की जरूरत ही नहीं, are a characteristic feature. The lake is used extensively by local people as a source of water for irrigation and domestic use, and it is an important wintering and staging area for water bird, particularly duck. It is included in the Montreux record in 1993. Which of the following lake is being considered? आपको इसके बारे में बताया है. संगाई डियर भी जान लीजिए बच्चे, कुमड़ीज की वो लामजाओ, and this is what Loktak lake in Manipur. So answer is 23rd beta, Loktak lake. 24. If a particular plant species is placed under Schedule 6 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, what is the implication? License चाहिए होता है बच्चे. If you ask this question कि why we require license, why to protect, अगर हम इसे natural condition में grow करेंगे तो फर्क ही क्या पड़ेगा इससे, तो वो और भी ज़्यादा flourish होगा. But there is a term that is called as horizontal gene transfer, because these are the pure varieties that has to be conserved. If these varieties are going to be contaminated by the horizontal gene transfer, certainly we are going to lose it. Okay, that's why few species are there like red venda, blue venda, and so many other plants are there which has been kept in Schedule 6 of the Wildlife Protection Act, and we require license and prior, what you can say, permission to grow or to cultivate this plant. So answer 24A. 25. Which of the following region have been classified as biodiversity hotspot in India? The Western Ghat, yes. Lakshadweep Island, no. Himalaya, yes. Indo-Burma region, yes. So 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4, Charlie is going to be the right answer. याद रखो बच्चे, Western Ghat, Sri Lanka, entire Himalaya, Eastern Himalaya, that is what Indo-Burma region, and the 4th Sundaland, that include Nicobar group of island with Indonesia. So these are the 4 hotspot in India. तो इसका आंसर मैंने बता दिया. Consider the following statement. Photography, scientific research and tourism are allowed inside the sanctuary with prior approval of Chief Wildlife Warden. Grazing is allowed इनसाइड सेंचुरी पहला वाला तो सही है, परमिशन से कर सकते हैं आप. ग्रेजिंग इज अलाउड इनसाइड द सेंचुरी, इट्स नॉट. ऑल लाइव स्टॉक in and around the sanctuary region should be properly immunized. 26 and 26 has answer C. 1 and 3 is right answer. 1 and 3 is right statement. Okay, grazing is not allowed ना, is allowed inside the sanctuary जो लिखा हुआ है वो गलत है. Arrange the following national park and wildlife sanctuary from north to south. पॉइंट कैलिमियर, भाई सबसे साउथ में तो यही दिख रहा है. भितरकर्णिका, ओडिशा. कोरिंगा, आंध्र प्रदेश. पिचावरम. अगेन वी हैव द आंसर दैट इज सबसे साउथ में हो जाएगा पॉइंट कैलिमियर, तो 1 इज द लास्ट और ऐसा एक ही है बच्चे. सो बी, लेट फाइंड आउट मोर. सो 2 भितरकर्णिका, then Koringa, then 4 yes Pichavaram, and yes option B is going to be correct. 27B. Which of the following are the ex-situ method of conservation of threatened species? कहीं उसके नेचुरल हैबिटेट से ले आके उसे सिक्योर कर लिया, दैट इज व्हाट ex-situ. So yes, botanical garden, arboreta, zoological park, it's what ex-situ. Wildlife safari park, isn't it? Sacred groves, no, sacred groves are what is, you can say, reserve forest, which is protected forest, you can say, which is already protected by the native community. Those native community consider it sacred and they are using it substantially. They are subsistently, not substantially, subsistently, and they these sacred groves are these what patch of forest is auspicious for them. Sacred groves are what in situ conservation, it's not ex situ. So answer using code. अच्छा हमें पाना क्या है ex situ. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, that is alpha is going to be the right answer. 28A. Okay, state और state animal, state union territory और state animal देखना है बच्चे. क्या है स्टेट है वेस्ट बंगाल, बंगाल टाइगर नहीं भाई. उत्तराखंड मस्क डियर सही है. दिल्ली फिशिंग कैट नहीं, फिशिंग कैट इज द स्टेट एनिमल ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल. सो दिल्ली इज रॉन्ग, वेस्ट बंगाल इज रॉन्ग, उत्तराखंड इज राइट. सो ओनली 2 इज राइट. सो आंसर इज बी ओनली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 बी ओनली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 बी ओनली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. The Himalayan range show a succession of vegetation with the change in the altitude. Arrange the following type of vegetation in the order of their appearance as we move from lower to higher latitude. सबसे नीचे से ऊपर जाना है तो सबसे नीचे आपको मिल जाएंगे deciduous forest, बिल्कुल मिलेंगे. फिर आपको जब 1500 उससे ऊंचा जा रहे हैं आप तो with temperate forest you will get. Then you will find pasture land, meadows. Yes. 1 2 3 mosses and lichen, ये आपको टुंड्रा वेजिटेशन में मिलेंगे बच्चे. तो 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, दिस इज राइट. नीचे से ऊपर जा रहे हैं 1 2 3 4. क्वेश्चन 30, इट इज व्हाट चार्ली. Consider the following statement with reference to the National Biodiversity Authority. NBA is a statutory autonomous body established under the Biological Diversity Act. Biological Diversity Act, that is right. NBA regulate access to India's biological resource and associated knowledge by Indian and non-Indian as well. बिल्कुल दोनों बातें सही हैं बच्चे. Let's find out the option. Only 1 correct, 2 correct. Both the statement are correct. So answer 31 is going to be Charlie. In rural road construction, the use of which of the following is preferred for ensuring environmental sustainability are to reduce carbon footprint? 32. Copper slag, yes, we are using it. Cold mix asphalt technology, we are using it in road construction. And geotextiles, that is also going to be used in road construction. Hot mix asphalt technology, no hot mix asphalt are used in urban road construction. Portland cement urban road construction. So 4 and 5 नहीं करते हम लोग. 1 2 and 3 are being used. So 32 alpha is the right answer. With reference to the position of the chief wildlife warden, consider the following statement. It is a statutory position created under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 1972. Okay. 33. Okay. 1972. सही है. There is a chief wildlife warden designated for each protected area in a state. ऐसा नहीं है बच्चे. Each protected area, there is a chief warden, wildlife warden designated for the state, not each protected area. 2 is wrong. He can permit the hunting of a schedule one animal in his jurisdiction. Which of the statement given are correct? 1 and 3 are correct and 2 is wrong. So right answer is beta. 33 beta. 34. Which of the following substance gases are controlled under Montreal Protocol on substance with the depletion of ozone layer? Chlorofluorocarbon, methyl bromide, yes. Nitrous oxide, it was not the part of Montreal Protocol. Carbon tetrachloride, nitrous oxide regulated in what you can say in a greenhouse gas emission. Carbon tetrachloride, although it is also causing ozone depletion, and carbon tetrachloride. So 1, 2 and 4 are the right answer. 1, 2 and 4. So option C is going to be the right answer. Which of the following are the common constituent of photochemical smog? So photochemical smog, acrolein, formaldehyde, ozone and nitric acid, all the above. 1, 2, 3, 4. 35 D. Yes, all the above are going to be correct. With reference to the Animal Welfare Board of India, consider the following statement. Question number 36. 36. It is a statutory body under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. No, it is under the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy, not Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So first statement is wrong. It is ultimate authority in India to determine the welfare need of only captive animal. That is also wrong. 1 and 2 both are wrong. So the statement given is our 36. With reference to Animal Board, statutory body under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Statement are correct statement. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट दोनों गलत स्टेट. अच्छा हाँ, नाइदर 1 और नार 2 आंसर दिया तो है बच्चे. ये डी मैं पढ़ ही नहीं रहा हूँ, वही तो मैं कहूँ कि वो द आंसर इज डी फॉर दिल्ली. दोनों स्टेटमेंट गलत हैं बच्चे. बोथ द स्टेटमेंट आर इनकरेक्ट. 1 and 2 both are incorrect. So answer is D. Okay. 37. It is advisory body only. Which of the following substance gases are controlled under? अच्छा ये तो हो चुका. 36, 37. National Green Tribunal is competent to hear matter related to which of the following cases? 37B. That is what? 2 and 3. Public liability insurance and Biological Diversity Act. Fine. Answer 37B. That is 2 and 3. Wildlife Protection Act and Forest Right Act, it is not heard by the Green Tribunal. Okay. 38. It is a soil amendment technique which involve melting and refreezing of soil to create glass-like solid that entraps inorganic contaminant and thereby isolate these from the environment. Which of the following process is being described in the passage below? Okay. 38, and that is what? Vitrification. Vitrification is a process which is described over there. 38, answer is Charlie. Okay. 38, 39. Consider the following convention which deal with hazardous waste. Deal with hazardous waste. Basel Convention. Yes, this is what? Rotterdam Convention and Stockholm Convention on persistent organic pollutant. all are dealing with hazardous waste. So 39, it is delta. The right answer is 39 delta. What is blue carbon? In the class, we have discussed in detail all those photosynthetic marine organisms are capturing the carbon are called as blue carbon. Carbon captured by ocean and coastal ecosystem. Yes, carbon sequestered in forest and agriculture soil, it is green carbon. Carbon contained in petroleum, no. So answer is what? Alpha. 41. With respect to the anti-defection law, consider the following statement. भाई एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ भी देखना है, पॉलिटी वगैरह के सवाल. 41. आंसर इज बीटा. बीटा इज ओनली 2. इट वाज एडेड, क्या लिखाना है, स्टेटमेंट इज आर करेक्ट. इट वाज एडेड टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन पढ़ लेना बच्चे, क्योंकि ये उतना ही मुझे आ रहा है जितना इस पे लिखा हुआ है. So please go through the explanation, and the answer is 41. Answer is beta. Answer is beta. Fine. With respect to the Indian Himalayan region, consider the following statement. It has primarily been formed as a result of collision and ongoing convergence of Indian plate, Australian plate with Eurasian plate. Chalega. 41. 41. Statement 1 is correct. The northernmost range of Karakoram mountain spread into only India and China. Yes, China कह लो या तिब्बत कह लो, इसे तिब्बत लिखना चाहिए, इंडिया में रह के तो हमें तिब्बत ही लिखना चाहिए. anyway, Dhauladhar range lies to the north of Pir Panjal. Dhauladhar range is actually lying to the north of Pir Panjal. Pir Panjal is a range, middle Himalaya, which is in what you can say Jammu Kashmir, and Dhauladhar is a middle Himalaya in Himachal Pradesh. So statement 3 is incorrect. 1 and 2 are correct. So I will go with alpha. I will go with alpha. 1 and 2 are correct. Dhauladhar range lies to the north of Pir Panjal. Dhauladhar range lies to the south of Pir Panjal, little bit south, it's not north. Pir Panjal is lying north to Dhauladhar. Option is 1 and 2, so it is alpha. Consider the following statement with reference to aurora, which was in the news, is a natural light display in earth sky predominantly seen in low latitude region. गलत बात. हाई लैटिट्यूड रीजन में दिखते हैं बच्चे. अरोरा आर द रिजल्ट ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस इन द मैग्नेटोस्फीयर कॉज्ड बाय द सोलर विंड. Well, it is not the magnetosphere, it is the interaction of charge, and that too in ionosphere. Most of the planet in solar system, some natural satellite, brown dwarf, and even comet also host aurora. So the right answer, 43. They are saying B, only 2 and 3. Result of disturbances in magnetosphere. Yes, magnetosphere में disturbance नहीं, इसको disturbances in ionosphere should be right. Okay, our thermosphere. Magnetosphere is going to divert the aurora. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा ऑप्शन सही करना चाहिए. Aurora are the result of disturbances in the thermosphere caused by the solar wind. तब ये सही हो जाता. हाँ, most of the planet in solar system, some of natural satellite जो गैनीमीड हैं या टाइटन्स हैं, वहाँ अरोरास होते हैं. 2 और 3 सही है, लेकिन 2 तभी सही होगा जब वो मैग्नेटोस्फीयर हटा करके वहाँ पे आयनोस्फीयर लिखा जाए. Recently, Tamil Nadu published a collection of 10 idylls called Puthupattu, one of the earliest Sangam poetry collection. With reference to the Sangam age, consider the following statement. 44. Option C is correct, and C is all the above. Okay, so third Sangam in Madurai, second Sangam Kadapapuram, first Sangam in Madurai. Okay, next question number 45. Consider the following statement with reference to East Asia Summit. 45. The right answer is A. Only 1 and 2. Please go through it. Right answer is A, only 1 and 2. With reference to the WINDS Weather Information Network Data System portal, consider the following statement. Question number 46. It is what statement? Answer is B, 2 only. So correct statement देखना है, दो सही है, एक गलत है बच्चे. Question number 47. Recently, Ludwigia Peruviana was in news. 47. Ludwigia peruviana. It is what? Aquatic weed native to some Central America and Peru as well as Chile coast. Okay, so 47. It's an invasive plant species. It's not variant of COVID-19. Invasive plant species. Branch of Humboldt, Peru ocean current. No, it's not like that. So invasive plant species. 47. B. Consider the following statement with respect to the special window for affordable and mid-income housing investment. 48. 48. 48. It is India's largest social impact fund, specifically formed for completing stressed and stalled residential project. Wrong. It is sponsored by Reserve Bank of India. Yes, it is right. It is managed by SBI Cap Venture. Yes, it is right. So two statements are correct in it. Fine. 49. The Madhav Gadgil report was in news. बहुत पहले news में थी. It is related to Western Ghats. Na environmental conservation of the Western Ghats. Answer is A. Consider the following statement with reference to the cannabis. Cannabis. भांग की बात होने जा रही है भाई. Answer B is correct. Okay. So Himachal Pradesh is set to pioneer India's first cannabis medicine project. The main aim of the project is to harness the potential of cannabis for medicinal purpose. Compounds such as hashish and hash oil are extracted from the plant. हाँ, ये सही है. So this is right, and the main aim of the project is to harness the potential of cannabis for medicinal purpose. 2 is also right. Okay. Statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 1 incorrect because CSIR IIM Jammu is the first its kind. India initiated this cannabis research project. So ये जम्मू कश्मीर है, हिमाचल प्रदेश नहीं है. 2 and 3 are correct. So only 2 statement are correct. This is what question number 50. So mark it correct. So thank you very much for today.